So good afternoon dear students. Yesterday I discussed about new chapter is theory of equations. Most important definitions are one is the linear equation and one more is quadratic equation. What is the definition of the linear equation? Means a polynomial equation of degree is called linear equation. What is the definition of the linear equation? Means a polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. The one more definition is quadratic equation. A polynomial equation of degree is 2, it is called quadratic equation. A polynomial equation of degree is 2, it is called quadratic equation. Here, first one is a polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. A polynomial of equation 2, it is called quadratic equation. Everyone understood? So first one is linear equation means a polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. A polynomial equation of degree 2, it is called quadratic equation. So now go to the problem. Yesterday I discussed about 2 marks question. We discussed about 6 marks questions. 6 marks questions. Very important this question. Study 7 problems is your today's 8th problem. Solve the equation. X square minus 8x plus 25 is equal to x into x minus 4 minus 25 into x minus 5 minus 16. So solve the given equation means, so what are the given equation to calculate x value? First of all, what are the given equations to write as it is? So given equation is x square minus 8x plus 25 is equal to x into x minus 4 minus 25 into x minus 5 minus 16. So now left side equation write as it is. Simplify the right hand side equation. So left side equation write as it is. X square minus 8x plus 25 is equal to, now simplifying the right hand side equation. X into x square plus into minus x into 4 is 4x. Everyone understood this step? X into x is x square, minus is as it is, x into 4 is 4x. Next one, minus into plus is minus, 25x is 25x. Next, minus into minus plus the 25 into 5. So 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 125. Minus 25 into x is minus 25x. Minus into minus is plus 25 into 5 is 125 minus 16 is it is. Now both sides x square and x square get cancelled. Both values are same. Symbol also same. Or plus x square plus x square. So plus x square is same. Plus x square minus x square nothing but value is 0. That's why direct cancellation. Here x square, here x square get cancelled. Remaining as it is written minus 8x plus 25 is equal to minus 4x minus 25x is minus 29x. Next is plus 125 minus 16. So plus 125 minus 16. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 1 minus 1 0, 109. So plus 109. Everyone understood? Minus 8x plus 25 is written as it is. Minus 4x minus 25x is minus 29x. Plus 125 minus 16 is plus 109. Now x value take one side, constant value you can take one side. So x value you can take right hand, left hand side. Constant value you can take right hand side. Here, this is a constant to take right hand side. This is x variable take left hand side. X variable has this minus 8x. Minus 29x take from left side plus 29x is equal to right side constant value as it is 109 plus 25 take that side minus 25. Minus 8x plus 29x is plus 21x. So 109 plus 25 is 109 25. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 2 84. The value is 109 minus 25 value is 84. Minus 10x plus 29x is called 21x plus 109 minus 25 value is 84. Only to calculate x. 21 will send denominator. X is equal to 84 by divided by 21. 21 banja 21 4. The x is equal to 4. Everyone understand? What are the given equations, right? As it is. Right, left hand side nothing simplifying, that's why this equation we are writing as it is. But right hand side you can simplify the given equation. X into x, x square minus x into 4 is 4x minus 25 into x minus 25x minus into minus plus 25 into 5 125 minus 16 is as this. Both sides x square and x square get cancelled. What is left of the equation as it is? Minus 4x minus 25x is nothing but minus 29x plus 125 minus 16 is plus 1/9. Now take x variable one side, constant value we are taking one side. So now right hand side x variable taking the left side. So minus 29x take this side, plus 29x. Plus 25 take that side, minus 25. So now minus 8x plus 29x is nothing but plus 21x. 109 minus 15 is 84. 21 1 21 4. So finally we got the x value. So very important this question. Everyone understood? It is clear? The next question. So next question also important. 6 more question. Solve for x 2x minus 7 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 5 3x plus 2. 2x minus 7 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 5 into 3x plus 2. So now what are the given equation? LHS equation or RHS equation? First of all we are the simplifying. So first of all, what are the given equations? Read as it is. The given 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 1 is equal to right hand side given equation is 2x minus 5 into 3x plus 2. So how to solve this problem is, first of all, product with first element into first element. The 2x into 3x is 6x square. First second element into first element, minus 7 into 3x minus 21x. 2x into 3x. So first element multiplied with each element. So 2x into 3x is 6x square minus 7 into 3x is minus 21x. Next, first element product with the second element. 2x into 1 is 2x. The minus into plus is minus. 7 into 1 is 7. See here first element multiplied with both element. 3x into 2x is 6x square plus 3x into minus 7 is minus 21x. Next, second element multiplied with both element. Plus 1 into plus 2x is plus 2x. Plus 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. Same like right hand side also you can simplify. First this element multiplied with both. 3x into 2x is 6x square. Plus into minus 3x into 5. 3 into 5 is 15x. Next, 2 is multiplied with both element. 2 into 2x is 4x. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 5 is 10. In this see, both sides what are the common element is there? Plus 6x square is equal to 6x. So get cancelled. Now this one also x variable value. This one also x value. We should add. Minus 21x plus 2x is minus 19x. Minus 7 is as it is here. Minus 15x plus 4x is minus 11x. The minus 10 is as it is. Now from we can take x variable, we can take right hand side, constant we can take right hand side. So minus 11x take this side, plus 11x is equal to right hand side minus 10 as this, minus 7 take that side, plus 7. So now minus 19 plus 11x is minus 8x is equal to minus 10 plus 7 is minus 3. Both sides minus get cancelled. Remaining left of the equation that x is equal to 3, only to calculate x. So x in the denominator. So x is equal to 3 by. This is the final answer. Here. Product with the 2x each element, or else 3x product with each element means 2x into 3x is 6x square plus 3x into minus 1 is minus 21x. Next, 1 into plus 1 into 2x is 2x, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 7. Next, 2x into 3x is 6x square, 3x into minus 5 is minus 15x, plus 2 into 2x is 4x, plus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Very easy. Here, plus 2x is there, product with this one, plus 2x into 3x is 6x square. Next one, minus 7 into 3x is minus 21x. Next one, plus 2x into 1 means these two elements have a product with each every element. 2x into 3x is 6x square, plus 2x into 1 is plus 2x. Next one, minus 7 into 3x is minus 27x, minus 7 into 1 is minus, like this. You understood this question? Okay? The next question. The 10th question. Solve for x. X plus 3x by 8 is equal to 11. So solve for x. Find the value of this x means what are the given equations, right? Given equation is x plus 3x by 8 is equal to 11. So here denominator 8 is there, but here denominator anything is not going to miss, at least 1. The x by 1 is nothing but x, that's why we are assuming denominator is 1. What is LCM here? What is LCM? Here 1 into 8 is 8. LCM is 8. You don't know LCM is product, what are the denominator values? 1 into 8 is 8, after that cross product. 8 into x is 8x plus 3x into 1 is 3x is equal to 11. You understood? LCM is 8, cross product 8 into x is 8x plus 1 into 3x is 3x. So divided by denominator is equal to 11. 8x plus 3x is 11x divided by 8 is equal to 11. So now cross product 11x is equal to 8 into 11. So now 11x is equal to 11 into 8 is 88. To calculate on x value, so 11 will go to the denominator. So 11 1 ja, 11 8 ja. X is equal to 8. So we got the final answer is x. So what are the given equations, student? As it is, we are not given, so we can write like 1. So x by 1 value is x, so we are only assuming. So now 1 and 8 LCM is 8. After that take product with cross product, 8 into x is 8x, middle is plus is a plus as this. So 1 into 3x is 3x is equal to 11. So numerator 8x plus 3x is 11x. The denominator value is as it is equal to 11. After that 8 means in cross product, 8 will go to the numerator. So 11 into 8 is 88. So 11 1 ja, 11 8. So 11 1 ja, 11. Final answer is understood. The next question. Solve for x. X plus 4 by 4 plus x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 11. So the given equation x plus 4 by 4 plus x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 11 to calculate x value. So what are the given equations? So write as it is x plus 4 by 4 plus x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 11. So first of all, you are simplifying the left hand side value. So what is the LCM over 3? The LCM is 12. 4 3 that 12 after cross product 3 into x plus 4. Next 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 11. Denominator 4 and 3 LCM is 12. So now here 4 is there. Which one is product only getting? So multiply with 3 and numerator denominator multiply with 3. So if suppose you don't know LCM, that's why product with the denominator values 4 3 is 4. That is the LCM. After that cross product 3 into x plus 4 plus 4 into x minus 5 by 12 is equal to 11. So simplifying the numerator, 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 4 into x is 4x minus 4 into 5 is 20. So denominator 12 is as it is equal to 11. Now simplifying the numerator values, plus 3x plus 4x is plus 7x, plus 12 minus 20 is minus 8, divided by 12 is equal to 11. So after that, all cross product the right hand side value, 7x minus 8 is equal to 11 into 12. So now product with 11 into 12, what is the value? So 11 2 ja 22. So 11 into 1, 11 plus 2 is 132. So the answer is 11 into 12 is 132. So x square will take one side, constant will take one side. So left side only x square is the right hand side, there is no x square. So 1 minus and take that side. 7x is equal to right hand side constant 132 value as is right. Minus 8 take that side plus side. 7x is equal to 132 plus 8 is 140. So 7 7 the denominator, 145 divided by 7, 7 1 the 720. So finally we got the x values. So everyone understood what are the given equations? As it is, take LCM 4 and 3 is LCM is 12. Cross product 3 into x plus 4 plus 4 into x minus 5 by 12 is equal to 11. So simplify the numerator values. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 4 into x is plus 4x plus into minus is minus 4 into 5 is 20. After that, adding the x variable values, plus 3x plus 4x is plus 7x plus 4 minus 20 values minus 8 by 12 is equal to 11. After that, 12 is cross product to the right hand side. 7x minus 8 is equal to 11 into 12 value is 132. The minus 8 take that side plus side. 132 plus 8 value is 140. 7 the 720. So finally we got the x value. Everyone understood? It is clear? The next question. X plus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 by 3 plus 2. So what are the given equation? First of all, student, as it is, x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 by 3 plus 2. Observe here denominator is 2, but here denominator is not there, to take values 1. So 1 by 1 is 1 only, so value does not change. So that's why here also anything value is not there, to take 1. So now left side, what is the LCM? 2 into 1 is 2. Cross product 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. The denominator LCM is 2. Of the cross product numerator, 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Everyone understood? Next, right hand side. 3 into 1 is 3. The LCM is 3. After that, cross product. Here also. 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1. The middle is plus is there. 3 2 6. Understood this step? First of all, take the denominator LCM is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. The LCM is 2. After that, numerator cross product. 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Same like right hand side also, can take the denominator is 3 into 1 is 3. After that, numerator cross product 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Everyone understood? Now simplifying, x plus 1 plus 2 is plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to x minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5 by 3. So after that, cross multiplication. After that, cross multiplication 3 into x plus 3. 3 will go to the numerator. 3 will go to the right hand side numerator. 2 into x plus 5. Cross multiplication we are applying. 3 into x plus 3 symbol is equal to 2 into x plus 5. Now simplify the left hand side value and right hand side value. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 3 is 9. So left is over, next right hand side is simplify. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 5 is 10. After that, x will take left hand side and constant will take right hand side. The plus 2x take this side, minus 2x. Already left side plus 3x is there. Right hand side plus 2x take this side, minus 2x. So next, right hand side plus 10 is as it is. Left side constant value plus 9 you can take. that side minus 9. Plus 3x minus 2x is x. 10 minus 1 is 1. So finally we got the x value. You understood? What are the given equation? And this is right. So here denominator anywhere is not the 10 value is 1, but value does not change. So first of all, left of the equation we are taking denominator LCM. 2 into 1 is 2, LCM is 2. After that cross multiplication, 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1, plus 2 into 1 is 2. Same like denominator, right side of the denominator is 3 into 1 is 3. After that cross multiplication, 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1, plus 3 into 2 is 6. Now simplification of the numerator, plus 1 plus 2 is plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5 divided by 3. After that cross multiplication, 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into x plus 5. Multiply each and multiply with 3. 3x is 3x plus 3, 3 then 9 is equal to 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 5 is 10. X will take from each side, constant will take right hand side. Plus 3x minus 2x is plus x. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Finally we got the answer. You understood? It is clear? The next question. So in before question, they given denominator values, but they have given one equation. How to take the LCM means, first of all, what is the given as they should write? 2 by x minus 1 plus 3 by x plus 3 is equal to 5 by x plus 3. So what are the LCM here? So what are the given denominator should multiply? X minus 1 into x plus 3, that is the LCM value. Don't know LCM, what are the denominator product with both known denominator values, x minus 1 into x plus 3. After that cross multiplication, 2 into x plus 3 into 2 2 into x plus 3. First of all take LCM. LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 3. After that cross multiplication, 2 into x plus 3 plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 5 by x plus 3. Now simplify the numerator. 2x plus 2 3 is 6 plus 3x is 3x minus 3 into 1 is 3. This also product. First element into first one. X into x, x square. X second element into first x. Minus 1 into x is minus 6. The first element is over. Next, first element into second element product. X into 3 is 3x. Second element into second, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 is equal to 5 by x plus 3. So now numerator plus 2x plus 3x is plus 5x plus 6 minus 3 is plus 3. So divided by x square is as it is, minus x plus 3x is plus 2x, next minus 3 as it is equal to 5 by x plus 3. Next is cross multiplication. This will product with numerator value, this will product with the denominator value. So left side is numerator is 5x plus 3 into cross multiplication x plus 3 is equal to 5 into product with the denominator value, x square plus 2x minus 3. Now product. First element into first element. 5x into x is 5x square plus second element into first element. 3 into x is plus x. Now second element product each element. 5x into plus 3 is plus 15x plus 3 into plus 3 plus 9 is equal to, let us simplify. 5 into x is square, 5x square plus 5 into 2x is 10x minus 5 3 is 15. Both square 5x square get cancelled. Plus 3x plus 15x is plus 18x plus 9 is equal to plus 10x is as it is the minus 15. Next x variable take from one side, constant value you can take one side. So 10x is the x variable take left side. So plus 18x is plus 10x at this side minus 10x is equal to minus 15 plus 9 take to RHS, so we will get minus 9. So plus 18x minus 10x is plus 8x is equal to minus 15 minus 9 is minus 24. Only finally you want only x value, that's why 8 is in the denominator. So x is equal to minus 24 by 8. So 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja. So finally we got the answer is x is equal to minus 3. Everyone understood? What are the given equations? Write as it is. After that, you can take the denominator is LCM. First of all, you can take. What is the denominator LCM is? X minus 1 into x plus 3 is the LCM. After that, cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 3 plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to right side values you should write as it is. After that, we can simplify the numerator values. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 divided by x into x is x square minus 1 into x is minus 6 plus x into 3 is plus 3x minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. After that simplification, finally we get the answer is 5x plus 3 x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 by x plus. After that cross multiplication, finally we get the x value is minus 3. Understood? This here. This method is last question. 14th question. These questions are very easy. You are understanding. So what are the given equations? First LHS part and RHS part you can simplify. After that x variable we can take left hand side, constant value we can take right hand side. So finally we got the x value. In this method last question, 14th one. Solve for x plus 1 by 2 minus x minus 2 by 3 is equal to x plus 4 divided by 5 plus 7 by 15. So now what are the given equations as it is? So given equations are x plus 1 by 2 minus x minus 2 by 3 is equal to x plus 4 by 5 plus 7 by 15. So what is the LCM? Left hand side 2 and 3, what is LCM? So 2 and 3 LCM is 6. 2, 3 is 6. The left hand side denominator is 6. After that cross multiplication, 3 into x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 2. See here, 5 and 15 the LCM is 15. Here 15 is there, but which number multiply with 5 over 15 you should get? So multiply with 3, divide with 3. Okay na? So 5 3 is 15. So 15 is there. So numerator and denominator multiply with 3. So 3 into x plus 4. So our 15 is there, only product with 1. 1 into 7 is 7. You don't know this, you don't know LCM. Suppose, don't know LCM. Don't know LCM is as this right. Product with numerator value. What is the 15 into 5? 75. Don't know LCM, you should take 75. What are the given denominators? Product with two denominator values. 5 into 15, 75. After the cross multiplication, 15 into x plus 4 plus 5 into 7. Okay now? Next simplify the left hand side value and right hand side. First of all numerator left side. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 1 is plus 3 minus 2x is minus 2x minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 divided by 6 is equal to 15x is 15x plus 15 into 4 16 plus 5 into 7 is 35 divided by 7. So simplify the numerator value from left side. Plus 3x minus 2x is plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 is plus 7 divided by 6 is equal to right side. Plus 15x is as it is plus 60 plus 35 is plus 95 divided by 75. So after that cross multiplication. 75 with the numerator value multiply with 75 multiply with LHS numerator value. So 75 into x plus 7 equal to 15x plus 95 into 6. 6 into 15x plus the 95. So now product 75x is 75x. 75 into 7. 75 is 35. 7 7 is 49. 49 plus 3 is 53. So 525. 75x is 75x plus 75 into 7 is 525 is equal to 15 into 6 is 90x plus 16 into 95. 6 into 5 is 30. 54. 54 plus 3 is 570. Now x variable take one side, constant value can take one side. 75x is plus 90x take this side minus 90x is equal to 570 is plus 525 take that side minus 525. The 75x minus 90x is minus 15x. Next is 570 minus 525 is 45. So now x is equal to 45 by minus 15 denominator means correct minus in the numerator or denominator both value means same. So 15. So 51 the 15. So x is equal to minus 3. This is the how to solve the given equation. Finally, we can find the x value. What are the given equations as it is? The LCM is 2, 3, LCM is 6. So, or else you don't know LCM is product with the denominator value 2 into 3 is 6. After that, cross multiplication 3 into x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 2. Same like normally 5 and 15 is LCM is 15. Suppose you don't know LCM, product the denominator values 5 into 15 is 75. After that cross multiplication we can simplify the numerator values, select the right side values. Finally we get the value is x plus 7 6 is equal to 15x plus 95 by 75. After that cross multiplication we can do x plus 7 into 75 is equal to 6 into 15x plus 95. After that each other multiply with the 75. 75 x is 75x plus 75 into 7 value is 525 is equal to 6 into 50x is 90x plus 6 into 95 is 570. After that x variable we can take left hand side plus 90x you can take this side minus 90x plus 525 take that side minus 525. 75x is minus 9x minus 59x is equal to 570 minus 525 is plus 5. Minus 15 denominator means denominator minus 15 correct minus numerator denominator values does not change. So minus 40 by 15 the 53. Finally get answer is x is equal to minus 3. You understood how to solve the given equation? Finally get the x value. Okay? If you have any doubt is there, please ask me. This chapter very easy. So what is the given equation? How to find the x value is a process. What are the given equation? First we should write x variable you can take one side, constant value you can take one side. Finally we get the x value. This is a process for the how to find the value of this x. You understood? Thank you everyone.